So we're going to take a quick look at this new upcoming tool that I'm creating called the PCT, or Player Creation Tool. It will enable users, players to build their own creations, which could range from vehicles to weapons or devices. It could be settlements or defences like we have here in this zombie example. So this example I'll be taking you through is a zombie example, survival example, and all you have to do is prevent the zombies from reaching the central red cube. Now with the PCT, we can just simply get started by entering our creation bay. This will take you into a custom pawn, which you can fly around with like the default pawn. It could also be used with the player's pawn. We have a few different options here: grid snapping, constraints on the X, Y and Z axis, but I'll just leave grid snapping on. So in this building mode, in the top right, we can see our resources that we have left. Now if we press our tab, that will open our parts menu. In our parts menu, we can sort by rarity or category. So in this example, just the walls. I'll show you ahead. I'll go ahead and show you how we can place a tower here. So if we just select our tower, we see it requires a ground placement with no max links. So all that means is it just requires attachment to the ground. So here we can see it snaps straight to the ground when we go near the ground. Easy as that. We can place it. If we destroy it, we're going to salvage some resources back. This can be turned off or customized using a number of different settings. We also have other types, like here we have a connection type. So what happens with the connection type is that we require two of our connections to another object, and with a chained object it must be attached within two or more objects to a ground or place anywhere object. So just an easy example to see here, we can just snap it straight onto this grid here, easy as that. If we were to say we were to get rid of these towers, if we try and add another walkway here, wouldn't be possible because it's too far away from our one and only tower here. Now we also have an active resource system. With our active resource system, this could be resources such as power, water, or something of that effect where it's required in game. This is calculated on the fly. So we have these electric fences here which provide defense from zombies, but require 2 power to operate. Now we can see our generator here provides 10 power. If we was to move one of these fences outside of our power zone here, this could be changed and set by a number of different options, by the way, and we can see that this no longer has the resources to require. This is really easy to set up just via basic blueprint interface, which will tell you if you have power or not. Same as all the building items, it's just set up via basic blueprints interface. Or we can see, if we open up a part, we have our buildable part comp here, which we have a number of different items to bind to, or a number of different options we can set up with our names, our filters, and our placement information. That pretty much sums up the progress I've made so far. The only other thing to show is if we destroy parts, they will recalculate on the move. So we can see, as we destroyed one of our walkways there, some of the others were destroyed also because they no longer had the correct attachments that they require. The same with the generator. If we destroy that, the fences would no longer have power. So I'll show you with this example. It's a real basic example. We just build up our defences beforehand and then defend from our zombies. And we have a number of different parts that we can choose from. including heavy walls which require different resources such as concrete. We have turrets which we can place down which will automatically fire. Stairs in order to climb up to our tower there. All kinds of different parts. So that's where it's at the moment. Thanks for watching.